those guys that fly over shortly? You heard of them, haven't you? 3 of them are women. So don't screw around, guys.
Saya Iriana Mardanus. Saksikan program-program Kompas TV melalui siaran digital, pay TV, atau media streaming lainnya. Kompas TV, independen, terpercaya.